KAPHATech is one of leading physiotherapy machine manufacturer located in Guangzhou. With an 80-person team and a 3,500 square meter facility, export about 6,000 units machine annually. We focused on all-range physiotherapy technologies, include shockwave, laser therapy, magnetotherapy, and TECAR therapy, etc. In each category, we developed a serial variety product. Renowned for our strong R&D team, capable and quick response for OEM customization service, 35 days to develop project prototype machine, and fast mass production is our outstanding advantage, encompassing PCB design, accessory integration, all components assembly, and QC inspections, with a well-maintained inventory for swift delivery within 24 to 72 hours for standard machines. Well-organized factory with ISO 13485 system certification. Our certifications, also including CE, ROS, LVD, EMC, and more, underscore our commitment to quality. Our global footprint spans across 70-plus countries, where we serve over 20,000 end users and numbers of distribution partners. Our ethos is a dedication to delivering reliable machines with superior quality, competitive pricing, and attentive service. Innovation drives us forward as we continuously develop new products. We are keeping move forward to be the biggest manufacturer for physiotherapy machines. With KAPHATech, expect a customer-centric approach right from the initial interaction, ensuring professional service throughout our partnership. Let's work together, forge a lasting, mutually beneficial partnership.